Hello, everyone. Welcome to the AI Magic Motion YouTube channel. Subscribe now and learn artificial intelligence right here.
Hello, friends, and welcome to the AI Magic Motion channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now and start learning all about artificial intelligence with us. To get started, just click the link I've left for you in the description. That will take you straight to Google's AI platform, Whisk AI, where you can create amazing videos using VEO3. This is the homepage you'll see when you first arrive. Simply click on Launch Whisk, and the next page will open up for you. From there, just sign up with your Gmail account and then hit this button to continue. And here's a really important point you should know. Creating images here is completely free. Yes, free, unlimited, and with no watermark. You can easily generate any picture you want as many times as you like. All right, now let's move on to Chat GPT. Here, I asked Chat to create an image prompt for me. I wanted my character to look Persian girl standing next to the Eiffel Tower, with the whole picture styled as anime. I also set the size to 16 by 9, which is the perfect YouTube format. I told it I wanted a highly detailed and professional prompt, and instantly Chat GPT generated it for me. All I had to do was copy the prompt, come back here, and paste it. Click on this option right here, then set it to locked mode. Keep it locked, and now click the button down here to start generating our image. You'll see how amazingly high the quality is. There are a few more settings, but I'll explain those in the next image. Just look at the speed. It's incredible. And here's the anime-style picture it created for us. If you want to download any of the images, just click on the 3 dots on the site and save them directly. Now let's create our second image the same way. This time, I asked it to use the exact same prompt, but generate it with a realistic character instead of anime. Copy the new prompt from here, paste it back in, and make sure the lock option is enabled again. You can also switch off this extra setting if you don't need a reference image. In this section, there's another option called Add Image. When I click on it, this window pops up. Now, if you want to create your images with the same character each time, this AI is super powerful at doing that for you. And the best part, it's unlimited and completely free, so you can easily use it whenever you want to keep your character consistent across all your images. The only thing you need to do is upload your reference image, the picture of the character you want all your creations to look like. Just click on Upload Image, add your reference, and that's it. Then choose the location you want for your picture. For example, I selected Paris in this one, but you could pick a forest, a city, or anywhere else you like. In this section, you can also set the style of your image, whether you want it to look realistic, cartoonish, or any other style you prefer. It's super flexible and easy to customize. I just click on this button and wait a few seconds for my image to be generated. The speed is amazing, and it usually takes no more than 5 to 10 seconds. As you can see, it's already creating my second image, and in just a moment, it gives me 2 ready-to-use pictures. All I have to do is click on the 3 dots, download the one I like, and it's ready to go. Now let's go back to Chat GPT. After I got this prompt, I asked it to create a video prompt for me as well. Of course, you can use the same image prompt if you like, but you'll lose some of the extra details that come with the video version. Here, I asked it to give me a video prompt so that my character in the image can actually say the sentence I wanted. And as you can see, now we're not only turning our image into a video, but the character also has lip syncing. If your character doesn't come with lip syncing, don't worry. After generating the image, I'll show you how to easily add special effects to make it even more realistic. It instantly gave me this prompt, and as you can see, because I added so many details, it created a really complete and professional prompt for me. I just copy it, come back here. Now look at the top of the screen. You'll see a few extra options appear. Click on Animate, and it takes you to this page where you can create up to 5 videos with VEO3 completely free. Next, we paste our prompt into this box at the bottom, hit generate, and wait a few seconds. The speed is incredible, and here's the result of our very first video. Guys, if you enjoyed this video and haven't subscribed yet, it would mean the world if you hit that subscribe button. And if you liked what you saw, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a few friends who might be interested. That's the best way to support our channel. When you hover over your image, you'll see the download button, so you can easily save your video. Now I'm heading back to Chat GPT, where I asked it to create the same image but with a male character. It instantly generated a new prompt for me. I just copy it, paste it here, and make sure the lock option is enabled again. Then I click this button and wait a few seconds for the new image to be created. While that's processing, I also told Chat GPT to give me a video prompt, so in the next step, my character can actually speak in the video. That means we're not just creating videos, we're making them with voice and dialogue. And the best part, it's all completely free, no lip syncing required. And look, the image is ready. You can easily download it with one click. Now finally, take the prompt we copied earlier, click on Animate, and you're ready to bring your character to life. I just wait less than a minute, usually around 20 to 30 seconds, and the video is ready. Here's the final result, and with this button, you can easily download your video. Now let's go back and create another one because I want to show you more tools today. This time, I asked it to give me an anime-style image of my same character, but placed in a Japanese garden with cherry blossoms. I copy the prompt, paste it here, click this button, and wait a few seconds. And here's the result. You can download any of these images with one click and use whichever you like. So not only can you create images, but you can also make videos super easily with this tool. It even gives you 5 free videos, and I'll show you later how to unlock even more. Next, I asked it to generate a video prompt again, so I could add lip syncing to my character. I paste the prompt here, click on Animate, and hit this button. The speed is incredible, and the process is super simple. And look, in just a few minutes, we've already made multiple videos. It's honestly amazing. And of course, you can download your finished video right from here. Now let's go back to Chat GPT. Up here, I first asked it for a prompt to create an image of my character standing next to the Eiffel Tower. This time, I decided to edit the prompt a little. Instead of just an image, I told it I also wanted my video to include sound effects. I waited a moment, and it instantly gave me the updated prompt. All you need to do is copy that prompt. And when writing prompts, make sure to also mention things like camera movement for better results. Next, we click on this button, go to Animate, paste the new prompt right here, and hit Generate. The difference is that in our previous videos, we used lip syncing mode, where the character's lips moved with the voice. But this time, we're creating it with sound effects. And here's the final result. As you can see, it's looking amazing and perfectly matches the location I wanted. But here's an important tip. When you sign up with your Gmail, you get to create 5 high-quality videos for free, just like the ones you've seen. So what happens if you use up all 5? It's simple. Just log out and sign up again, and you can keep creating more. This page will appear. Click on Sign in with Google, and then sign up again using a different Gmail account. Make sure to check these 2 boxes, hit Next, scroll down, and click Continue. Now you're back in, and everything is active again. Click here to move to the next page, press Explore, and just like that, you can create another 5 free videos without any problem at all.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the AI Magic Motion YouTube channel. Subscribe now and learn artificial intelligence right here.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the AI Magic Motion YouTube channel. Subscribe now and learn artificial intelligence right here. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the AI Magic Motion YouTube channel. Subscribe now and learn artificial intelligence right here.